The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee (MPCC) announced that former South Tura MLA John Leslee K. Sangma has rejoined the Indian National Congress, marking what the party described as a significant shift in Garo Hills politics. Leslee Sangma, who had briefly aligned with the UDP, was said to have returned after consultations with community leaders and supporters, believing the Congress remained the most credible platform for safeguarding democratic and tribal rights. Party leaders said Sangma raised concerns over rising unemployment and disillusionment among youth in the Garo Hills, stating that the situation was worsening under the BJP-NPP-led government. He reportedly reaffirmed his commitment to strengthening the Congress in South Tura and the wider region. MPCC President Vincent H. Pala welcomed his return, saying it sent a strong message to the ruling alliance, which he accused of neglecting the region. The party said Leslee Sangma's comeback would energize its organization in the Garo Hills and inspire others dissatisfied with the current government to join the Congress. The Congress party reiterated its commitment to constitutional values, tribal rights, economic empowerment, and transparent governance.
Congress and all of us, we welcome you and hope that your contribution will come.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, I'm done.